everyone, welcome to the ISO 37001 Lead Auditor Training. This comprehensive course is designed to provide you with an in-depth understanding of ISO 37001, the international standard for anti-bribery management systems. ISO 37001 is a globally recognized standard developed to help organizations prevent, detect and respond to bribery. It provides a framework for establishing, implementing, maintaining and improving an anti-bribery management system. This standard can be adapted by any organization regardless of its size, type and nature of business. Bribery is a significant issue that affects all sectors and regions. It undermines trust in public and private institutions, distorts markets, and creates an uneven playing field. By implementing ISO 37001, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to ethical business practices, enhance their reputation, and mitigate the risks associated with bribery. Key components of ISO 37001. ISO 37001 covers various aspects of an anti-bribery management system, including leadership and commitment, ensuring top management demonstrates and promotes a culture of anti-bribery compliance. Anti-bribery policy, establishing a clear policy outlining the organization's stance against bribery. Risk assessment, conducting regular assessments to identify and address bribery risks. Due diligence, implementing due diligence procedures for business associates and transactions. Training and awareness, providing relevant training to employees and stakeholders. Monitoring and review, continuously monitoring and reviewing the effectiveness of the anti-bribery management system. Benefits of the ISO 37001 Lead Auditor course. Enhanced expertise, professional recognition, career advancement, improved auditing skills, leadership development, compliance and risk management, networking opportunities, contribution to ethical business practices. Certification recognition. TNV certification is dedicated to delivering high-quality training and certification programs that meet international standards. Our partnership with Exemplar Global ensures that our lead auditor certification is among the most respected in the industry. Exemplar Global is a leading provider of personal certification, credential management, and training certification. Their endorsement of the TNV certification program underscores the quality and rigor of the training you receive. Global acceptance. Your certification is acknowledged and respected worldwide, opening doors to international career opportunities. Professional credibility. Being certified by a reputable organization like TNV with validation from Exemplar Global significantly enhances your professional credibility and reputation in the industry. Quality assurance. The certification process is aligned with the highest standards of auditing excellence, ensuring you possesses the skills and knowledge to perform at the top of your field. Competitive advantage. Stand out in the competitive job market with a certification that is recognized and valued by employers globally. Continuous improvement. Exemplar Global's endorsement reflects our commitment to ongoing professional development and adherence to best practices in auditing and compliance. Agenda for the ISO 37001 Lead Auditor Training Program. Our training program spans 40 hours, carefully structured to cover all essential aspects. Here's a brief overview of the agenda. Day 1. Introduction to Management System Standards. Day 2. Detailed study of the structure and requirements of ISO 37001. Day 3. Principles of auditing and the role of an auditor. Day 4. Planning and conducting an audit. Day 5. Audit techniques and best practices, plus reporting audit findings and follow-up actions. Day 6. Leadership skills for audit team leaders, plus managing and leading an audit team. Day 7. Review and practical exercises. This structured approach ensures that by the end of the program, you will be well equipped with the knowledge and skills to effectively lead an ISO 37001 audit and contribute to your organization's anti-bribery management efforts. Module MSS Module. Welcome to the MSS specific module. We will focus on the fundamentals of management system standards, emphasizing ISO 37001. You will learn about the structure and specific requirements of ISO 37001, providing a solid foundation for effective auditing. AU Module. The Auditing AU Module equips you with essential skills for conducting audits. We'll cover the principles of auditing, planning and conducting audits, audit techniques and reporting audit findings. TL Module. The Team Leader module develops your leadership skills. Learn to manage and lead audit teams, handle effective communication, resolve conflicts, and apply leadership skills in practical scenarios. These modules are designed to provide a comprehensive understanding and practical skills in ISO 37001 auditing. Let's get started with the first module and embark on this journey to becoming a proficient ISO 37001 lead auditor. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to lead an audit for ISO 37001, ensuring your organization or your clients can effectively combat bribery and promote ethical business practices. Thank you.